Hey there guys, in this video I'm going to talk about how you can set up the Jobber Receptionist and how the whole process works. So in the moment when you are going to be in Jobber, you're going to find here, when you're going to scroll down below, the Receptionist. And when you're going to open it, you're going to be fine right here. So you're going to find the status here like phone calls, text messages, website chat. And I actually have it on the Jobber website, which is active. And right here is like the chat here. And now for more is that you're gonna have like the conversation where you're gonna find all the conversation. So then you're gonna have configure, and in manage, what you can do is that you can enable the text messaging and also the voice calls where you're gonna have it connected. And also you're gonna have the voice there that you can like edit then. And now it's not really available on my plan, but this is where you're gonna have it, where you're gonna have the text messaging, the voice calls, and this is like the text greeting, just a heads up. And receptionist, how can I assist you today? Also send an SMS to client who hang up on the reception calls, and you can like edit it, the text greeting here, and the voice calls too, where you're gonna have the phone greeting, and also the voice here. Also the answering delay here. So you're gonna have some like settings here that you can actually try, see yourself, or like if you actually like it. Also escalation policy, the scheduled jobs. So when enable for account reception, use your online booking form to schedule jobs into your calendar. Then you can have also appointment handling here, submit a request, create follow-up tasks, and to who is going to be like actually like assigned to. So that's something that you can do. And then primarily here in the dashboard, then you're gonna see the text messages and phone calls. So that's pretty much it. So thank you very much guys for watching, and have a great day and goodbye.